Hi guys, Sarah here. Today we are going to make this gorgeous succulent wreath. It's a modern twist on a traditional wreath and it will look just gorgeous on your front door. The supplies you're going to need for this project are a 12-inch embroidery hoop, and this is a wooden hoop, and I'm just leaving both pieces together for added strength. You will not see the tightening screw at the bottom because it will be covered by the succulents, so I'm not even worried about that in the least. And of course you will need several succulents. I did pick up these nicer, fuller bushes and larger pieces at Hobby Lobby. And you can get succulents at Dollar Tree, I've seen some at Walmart and so forth, but in order to give you the fullness and the look you want for a 12-inch wreath, it is a good buy for these larger pieces rather than the smaller ones that you can pick up at the Dollar Tree. By the time you pick up enough to get a full look, you're going to be spending almost as much anyway. So I did pick up this piece. I picked up some of these that will be hanging down a bit. I picked up this large hidden chick. I did like that it had the kind of blues and pinks in it. And I also picked up some of these that we'll be cutting apart and adding in as we need them. The other main thing you will need is your glue gun. So go ahead and get all of those ready and we will start our cutting and gluing, and this will go together really quickly. First thing I'm going to do is cut this down to a smaller stem. Now you can pull all of these out and glue them individually. I kind of like the way they're put together here, so I'm just going to try to cut this main stem down. All right, now what I was thinking for this was to have these hanging down on this side, this coming up, and this kind of coming off this way. But again, I'm going to move this around so that this tightening screw is pretty well covered. And then I'll be adding these in for filler after I get these all glued down. Now that the glue is heated up, I'm going to start laying my pieces out exactly how I want them. And the first thing I want to do is cover this. So I think I'm going to put this piece down right about like this, because that will hide that pretty effectively. At this point, I realized that the hot glue was probably not going to be strong enough itself to hold these succulent stems in place because they are a little bit weighty. So I got some floral wire and I'm just wrapping the stems very securely in the floral wire. Now, if you don't have a floral wire specifically, you can use any kind of wire that you have around the house. You can even use a chenille stem if you have it. Once you get all the succulents in place, you really won't be able to see it, so it won't stick out. And that way, you know your wreath will be safe and secure and won't fall apart on you once you hang it on your front door. Here is our finished piece, and I really like the way it came out. It's a very contemporary wreath with just the ring and the succulents at the bottom. It looks nice and full, and we will have this hanging down onto the door, so I think this will be just gorgeous. Here's our finished wreath. I really like the way it turned out. It has a great contemporary feel, and the succulents are so in style right now that it's ridiculous. And I think it's just going to be absolutely gorgeous hanging on the front door. So let's go get it hung and see how it looks.
If you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button as well as share it with friends who may also enjoy it. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button, and when the notification bell pops up, be sure you hit that as well so you never miss a video. And, as always, have a great day and stay crafty.